This is NOAA Radio serving the Denver area with new and information about the weather about tomorrow. An EF5 tornado will be touching the ground in the whole state of Colorado, with extreme lightning and very powerful winds that have never occurred since America's discovery in 1776. EF5 tornadoes would be normal for this country, but right now, I don't think I have ever seen clouds this dark at 9 a.m. in the morning. Man, it almost looks like nighttime right here. The sky is as dark as a volcano spewing out steam. Anyways, seek an underground shelter when this tornado forms, as the tornado will not be able to lift you up when the tornado reaches within 350 feet of you. When you seek underground, also bring the following: food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a cell phone, and a battery-powered radio for more updates. This would probably cause one of the biggest tornadoes record in the America's history, so be prepared for the tornado. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the state of Colorado. Tomorrow at 5 a.m., there will be an EF5 tornado touching the ground for the whole state of Colorado. To add with it, there will be very record-breaking winds and very powerful lightning. It will be one of the biggest tornadoes ever recorded. Seek an underground shelter, as the tornado will not be able to lift you up. Also bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a cell phone, and a battery-powered radio for further updates. The tornado might be more powerful than predicted. The information that we've gotten so far, it seems like more than just an EF5 tornado. It looks like it is going to be over 1,000 or maybe even 10,000 mph, which is not normal at all. Boy, I can't even imagine what it will be like. But I know it is going to be like Jupiter's raging storm. Anyways, stay tuned for more information regarding this event. The National Weather Service has issued a massive tornado warning. 10 minutes ago, it has been discovered that the tornado about to occur will literally blow your mind. It has been discovered that the tornado will have gusts of winds of over 1,000,000 miles per hour. Holy shit, God shouldn't have even allowed that to this type of tornado on Earth. Man, should this even be considered a tornado? This is not just a tornado, this is something else. Well, stay tuned for more information regarding this dangerous situation. Okay. I'm not even gonna get into who requested my transmission of my message. God is crazy. Just tell me who made God mad. This tornado is going to be 1,500 miles wide and will have gusts of wind traveling at the speed of light, which is 670,616,629 miles per hour. Okay, I would say do not panic at this time if it was a normal tornado warning. But I don't even care if you panic. This is some next level horrific crap. This could even be a national emergency, hell maybe even a global. If you got pulled in by the tornado, you would die within not even a second by getting pulled in this crazy mega tornado. To be honest, I don't even think seeking an underground shelter will help, but it's worth a try either way. You guys are still advised to stay in an underground shelter now. Grab all the necessary supplies for your shelter stay. Remember, this tornado is occurring at 5 a.m. So get ready as soon as possible. 5 a.m. is within 12 hours from now. Stay tuned for more information regarding this mega dangerous situation.
We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. The tornado has just begun its final cloud stage and I'm literally right under the final cloud, so I better make this message quick. You are now advised to seek an underground shelter and bring the following: food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a cell phone, and a battery-powered radio for the latest information. This megatornado is going to touch ground within 30 minutes, so don't wait. If you are outside, you will await certain death, as this tornado can pull anything within 500 miles. This could possibly lead in the end of the world. Because this tornado is traveling at the speed of light, this tornado is going to be very loud as well, so also bring noise-canceling headphones to not become deaf. Sirens have now been activated, meaning you should seek an underground shelter. Stay tuned for more information regarding this dangerous situation. We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The megatornado is now filled with toxic materials. The tornado has ran through millions of nuclear power plants. If you are outdoors, you will await certain death, as this tornado can travel at 670,616,629 miles per hour. You know what? I quit my job. I can't be in a danger risk. I've been working here since 2003, so it's been 20 years since I started working here. I retire until this situation ends. Anyways, explosions are being heard all across the world due to the tornado crushing the nuclear power plants. The tornado is now a hazardous Lightspeed tornado. It is unknown how long this tornado will last for, but it is likely it will not end anytime soon. All the nuclear power plants in the world is now exploded and become part of the tornado. Stay tuned for more information regarding this dangerous event.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The mega tornado is now gone. It's been 20 years, but it's finally over. However, there is literally no house or any type of shelter in the world to go to right now, but that doesn't mean we can't rebuild. We as humans made so many great things over the past 200,000 years, and that means we can rebuild everything to how it was before. There is 10 billion of us. We can easily rebuild everything back to normal within the next several years. However, we need to get rid of all the toxic chemicals on ground, and for that we need a suit and an improved gas mask to not get the toxic chemicals in your lungs. This caused a volcano to erupt due to toxic chemicals getting inside of the volcano. Anyways, we now resume normal programming.